Unboxing on this microwave we just bought, and it's a Panasonic NN-ST45 in white. It's 32 litres and it's got the inverter technology. So we've had our old microwave about 20 years and it was a Panasonic, so we decided to replace it with a new Panasonic and hope it'll be as good. Okay, well, we're just reading the box. Panasonic NN-ST45 inverter, 32 litres, 1000 watts. What's on this side? I think that little size is different. That's got the inverter, and these are all the menu buttons: child lock, LED lamp, turntable. On this side of the box we've got like a plated meal, knife and fork, and same again. So I've taken the tape off the box and we're just going to look inside. Okay, so we've got some wrapping. Oh, and it looks like the turntable is in the top. We just take the plate out there safely. Polystyrene, and there's the microwave. And we're taking that, so just lift him out gently. Wrapping him. We'll put this packaging back in. Save that later. So it's fairly easy to lift the box because it's got handles in each end, something to get hold of.
Well, I can see it's 13 kilograms a weight.
Yeah, it's not too heavy. Not as heavy as the old one.
The old one was smaller, yet it was heavier.
So this is the plate for the microwave, the turntable. It's 34 centimetres. Hopefully should be able to get some bigger packets in for defrosting. Okay. So the microwave we chose is white. We've positioned it here because the grills down the side need ventilation. There's no grills this side, but there's a few grills at the back. So you have to leave a space at the back and a space here. They're all soft touch controls, no buttons. And it's all nice and shiny, easy to clean.
We've got a black glass door, so it'd be interesting if we can see in when the microwave is cooking.
Just going to look inside the microwave and see what there is.
It's a press button for the door, which is nice and easy, the same as the old one.
Yeah, the same position. So inside we've got the instruction book and the ring that runs the turntable. I'll just put that in position.
So it's a hard back inside, which is classed as a hard back,
Yeah.
which is grey. The last one was white.
So we're hoping that it's going to be easy to see things inside, even though it's quite dark colour. And there's a menu on there, which you'll find out when we read the book what it's for. So we're just going to have a flick through the book. Panasonic, some instructions, index, all sorts of safety instructions, some more safety, before using your oven. pages and pages of instructions. Care and cleaning. Now to put the turntable in. More user instructions.
Looks like there's plenty of instructions to be able to use it,
Yeah,
which we need to go away and read before we switch it on.
okay, we're going to read.
So have you got some recipes in that book?
Well, we've got instructions for each button. We've got timetables for defrosting and cooking. And we've got a few recipes. Quite a few recipes. Orange marmalade. That sounds interesting.
So we need to choose a couple of recipes then and have a go with it.
Okay. So I'm just going to close the door, and it does open and close very easily with a nice click when you close it. So we're just going to try the microwave. We've got to plug it in first. So we'll just put the plug in, switch it on. The display's lit up. We've just got to enter the turntable. So we've got the plate in. We've got 3 holes here to line up with the gizmo. That's it. And now it says we're going to do the jacket potatoes in the book, page 37, and it's the auto sensor cook program, number 14. We put the potatoes in. It says put on the edge of the turntable. One there like that.
And did you prick them?
No, I've got to prick them
Several times.
several times.
That's not many.
1, 2, 3. 1,
A few
2,
more.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Because if you
1,
don't prick
2,
them, they can
3.
explode.
That's it. So they're in on the edge of the turntable. Press the auto sensor button, it says, for potatoes. So we look for potatoes, press the button, number 14, and press start, just like that. You can see the lights on in the oven, you can see the potatoes going around. And that auto sensor program should continue until it's cooked, hopefully.
So, what was the weight of potatoes?
Well, it says between 200 and 250 grams each.
And that's what these are.
Yeah.
And how long is it expected to take to cook?
It doesn't say at the moment, but apparently the time will appear in the display. The 14 in the display is the program number for potatoes, and it'll display the time left to cook once the potatoes start to steam, and it's the steam in the potatoes that sets off the sensor to calculate the cooking time.
And how long do we expect that to take before we see how long the potatoes are going to be?
It'll be a few minutes. So the microwave has just beeped, and now the display is showing the amount of time left to cook. So it's counting down from 2 minutes 40 till it's cooked.
You can smell it cooking. It's
It's
pretty
well.
quick. And the light, we can see the potatoes.
Yeah, I can see them potatoes going around, can you? So we're just waiting for the buzzer to go. That's it then. So in the instructions it's to wrap them in tin foil for 5 minutes after cooking. So I'm just going to take them out and test them. See if they're anything like ready. Yeah, that's soft. And that's a bit harder. We'll just wrap them in tin foil for 5 minutes as per the instructions. Apparently they carry on cooking afterwards.
Down the other bus.
That'll just do the thing to do, won't it? Sit then, 5 minutes. We'll try the delay and stand then. So we found the instructions for the standing time on page 28, and it involves using the timer button. So what you have to do is press the timer button. So I'm going to press the timer clock. We just want 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which you do using the 10-second button. And then press start. And it's counting down from 5 minutes for the delay and standing time.
So that's 5 minutes of the potato wrapped in foil, and after that's finished we can eat the potato.
Hopefully.
There's 15 seconds left on the delay time, and then the jacket potato should be ready to eat. It's all done on the automatic button. There we go. That's one jacket potato ready to eat. Cooked on the automatic potato button in the Panasonic microwave. I'm just going to try this potato. It's nice and soft, I'd say just perfect.
Well, it looks good.
It is. You know me. My food. Very nice. I'm going to sit down now and eat it.
Okay.
Right, we're going to try out the lemon curd in the new microwave. That's on page 79 in the Panasonic instruction book. It actually tells you to put all the ingredients in a bowl, mix well, place on the glass turntable and cook on 1000 watts for 1 minute. That's the first part. The recipe includes 4 lemons. I use the unwaxed lemons because I don't like the sort of wax going in my food. And you grate all the rind off. time. I've already done the 3, so that's the 4th one. Next thing I need to do is squeeze the lemons and take out the juice. So I'm going to use a little lemon squeezer. So put the lemons in half and just squeeze it on there. That's 1 half. And I'll put that straight into the bowl. That's 2, which is 1 lemon. Now this separates the pips and the pit to make sure it doesn't go into the lemon curd mix. That's the juice of 4 lemons plus the lemon rind. Uh, 4 eggs.
That's all there is that's in there.
Is it?
To the shopping cart.
Time to come.
4 o'clock.
It's 2. Let's put it on until 4, shall we?
So
If I adapt it, so it'll be right. So the next thing to do is we need 4 eggs whisking. So I've already put 2 in. 3, 4. So I'll give those a whisk. For the lemon curd, you need to put all the ingredients into one bowl, and that's the 4 lemons and the rind. Just go in there. 400 grams of caster sugar, which is a lot of sugar. 4 eggs. So 4 eggs. Followed by 4 ounces of butter. We'll give that a stir. And then it says, mix well, place on the glass turntable and cook on 1000 watts for 1 minute and then stir. So stir it up well and then cook for 1 minute on 1000 watts. This is where the big turntable comes in handy, because I've got a heavy bowl And if we was putting it in a tiny microwave, it would make it labour.
Can we see the
So it's a big bowl. Can you see it?
yeah, that looks fine, thanks. We can see that.
I'll close the door. And I need hour, 1 minute, and start.
That's it. It lights up well, doesn't it?
It does
Can
light
see.
up well. Can you see it on the
Yeah, I can see the bowl.
bowl?
Looks good.
So hopefully we're going to make some lemon curd tarts for tomorrow while watching football.
That'd be good.
Maybe with a glass of something else. You can see that the fan's working because it's actually blowing the flags. I don't know whether you'll pick that up, but you can see
Yeah,
the flags blowing in the back,
yeah.
and that's from the microwave. Take the bowl out and give it a stir.
Has it started to melt?
It's
Butter.
not done a lot actually.
Mm. No, it's still lumpy, the butter then.
So I need to put this back on again.
Power.
Hour, 1 minute, and start.
You find you have to press the button right in the centre.
Yeah, to press,
They
put
don't,
it in the right place.
yeah, they don't work if you get on the edge.
No. So I need to keep doing this every minute until I start to see the mixture starting to thicken.
It doesn't say how many minutes it will take then.
No. I suppose it depends how cold your stuff is, if it's room temperature or
Yeah.
fridge. Oh, it's getting hot now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's hot. So we'll stir it again. You can see, whether you can see that, can you?
Yeah, still little pieces of butter, aren't there?
So, power,
Yeah, right in the centre of the thing, that's it.
1 minute,
Yeah.
start.
So you have to press it firmly, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I think I'm going to do it 30 seconds, I think.
Yeah. It's getting near
Yeah, I
close,
think it's
is it?
starting to curdle.
Getting close.
Yeah, I'm going to do 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So, power,
Yeah.
that one, 10, 20,
Yeah.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Start.
Can you see if it starts to boil from the lid?
starting to smell like lemon curd.
Is it? Is it getting any thicker?
Yeah, it's getting there. We're going to put it back in.
Yeah.
Another 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So, not sure when we're going to know when it's finished. We're going to have the 30 seconds. Oh, cancel. Cancels at the bottom if you do something wrong. Start again. Power. 10 seconds. 30 seconds. Start again. Really pleased you can look inside, because if you can't see inside, you're sort of opening the door a lot more often. The mixture needs to coat the back of the spoon.
Yeah, that's alright.
So, we're going for another 10 seconds. Or even 30, we're going for another 30 seconds. Start. Oh, that's different.
Is it thicker now?
Try it one more. Power. Seconds, 30. Start. see that?
You can just see the surface a little bit. It looks a lot creamy in here, a lot smoother. Yeah, that looks alright.
Put it in one more time, that's it. And certainly. Hour, 30 seconds, and start. After several minutes and several 30 seconds, it's beginning to look like lemon curd. So I'm going to leave it now and hope it thickens up as it cools. I'm also using a clean spoon. So this is what we've finished with. Hope it's going to be some good lemon curd, so we can make some tarts for tomorrow.
So we bought the microwave from John Lewis online, and when it arrived the box was just plain cardboard, and then when we looked inside there was no retail box, and we thought that was a bit not so good if you want to give it to someone for a present, but we don't mind if it's a cost saving or to do with the wastage of packaging. There's also a registration document which you need to register online to get the guarantee service.
Oh, tell me